This is the geologic time unit test. Number 1, roughly how old is the Earth? A, hundreds of years old, B, thousands of years old, C, millions of years old, D, billions of years old. Number 2, eras are subdivided into periods, true or false? Number 3, which shows the divisions of the geologic timescale from least to greatest? A, epoch, period, eon, era. B, epoch, period, era, eon. C, period, era, eon, epoch. D, epoch, era, period, eon. Number 4, which is true of the rock layers shown below? A, only older rock contains fossils of complex life forms. B, only younger rock contains fossils of simple life forms. C, both older and younger rock contain fossils of the most complex life forms. D, only younger rock contains fossils of complex life forms. Number 5, layer M is blank than layer B. A, older than. B, the same age as. C, younger than. D, denser than. Number 6, according to the principle of blank, event H is younger than layer F. A, inclusions. B, cross-cutting relationships. C, original horizontality. D, subduction. Number 7, event H occurred blank than layer R. After, A, B, at the same time as, C, before. Number 8, the time it takes for half of the radioactive atoms to decay in a rock is called blank. A, half-life. B, decay. C, absolute dating. D, relative dating. Number 9, according to the principle of blank, layers B, T, N, H, M, K, and C were not deposited at an angle when they first formed. A, cross-cutting relationships. B, superposition. C, lateral continuity. D, original horizontality. Number 10, the inclusions in R are blank the rock itself. A, younger than. B, the same age as. C, older than. D, similar to. Number 11, layer F is blank layer M. A, older than. B, the same age as. C, younger than. D, the same type of rock as. Number 12, the relative age of layers I, B, F, M, and R can be determined using the principle of blank. A, inclusions. B, lateral continuity. C, original horizontality. D, superposition. Number 13, fossils of organisms that lived in a widespread area over a short period of geologic time are called what? A, index fossils. B, common specimens. C, indicator remains. D, pervasive pointers. Number 14, when certain fossils appear in one rock strata but disappear in the next one, what probably happened? A, the organisms moved. B, the organisms evolved quickly. C, mass extinction. D, igneous rocks. 15, true or false? Scientists know for certain that a meteorite impact caused dinosaurs to become extinct. True, false. 16, true or false? The principle of uniformitarianism states that sedimentary rocks are deposited in horizontal layers. True, false. Number 17, the oldest rock layer in an undisturbed rock sequence occurs blank. A, at the bottom of the sequence. B, below the sedimentary rock layer. C, below the unconformity. D, at the top of the sequence. Number 18, the preserved remains of once living plants or animals at least 10,000 years old are called fossils. True or false? Number 19, determining the order of events and the relative age of rocks by examining the position of rocks in a sequence is called what? A, absolute dating, B, radiometric dating, C, relative dating, D, radiocarbon dating. Number 20, the principle of superposition can be used to determine blank. A, the actual age of rock layers, B, the relative densities of rock layers, C, the actual temperatures of rock layers, or D, the relative age of rock layers. 21. What era do we live in? A, Cenozoic, B, Mesozoic, C, Paleozoic, D, 2022. Number 22, the division of Earth's history into smaller units makes up the blank. A, eras, B, geologic timescale, C, periods, D, sequence of events. Number 23, why is the Grand Canyon a good place to study rock layers? A, it is older than any other location. B, it is undisturbed by erosion or weathering. C, lots of layers have been uncovered by river erosion. D, volcanoes have laid down many layers of igneous rock that can be absolutely dated. Number 24, who is known as the father of geology? A, Charles Darwin, B, Albert Einstein, C, James Hutton, D, Sir Isaac Newton. Number 25, rock A has 50% of its uranium atoms remaining, and rock B has 20% of its uranium atoms remaining. Which rock is older? A, rock A, B, rock B, C, they are the same age, D, it is impossible to tell from this information. For number 26 through 28, use the information from the investigation described below. Scientists can answer questions about why certain species thrived or did not thrive during Earth's history by investigating the fossils found in different rock layers. The data in the chart is from a team of British scientists investigating a mass extinction 252 million years ago. The column on the left lists 5 animal groups. The next column shows the number of genera, or types of animals in each group that scientists found at a lower layer of rock. The right column shows the number of types of animals in each group at an upper layer of rock. Number 26. Scientists claim that between the laying down of the lower and upper rock layers, a major catastrophe occurred. What evidence from the fossil data might support this claim? So you have the animal group in the left column, the number of types in the lower layer, and then the third column is number of types of layer in the upper layer. A, most animal types decreased significantly. B, the variety of echinoid types did not change. C, all animal types seemed to increase significantly. D, the number of types of nautiloids changed but not significantly. Number 27, based on the data collected in the lower and upper layers, what does the pattern seem to suggest? A, all of the organisms survived after the mass extinction. B, nautiloids avoided any harmful effects from the mass extinction. C, there was a major decrease in diversity after mass extinction. D, there was a major increase in diversity after the mass extinction. Number 28, in 2017, scientists published a study finding an increase in nickel from volcanic sources around the globe, right around the border of the lower and upper layers. How might this new evidence affect the original claim of a global catastrophe? A, the new evidence weakens the previous claim since these are sea creatures, and this is evidence from a volcano. B, the new evidence weakens the claim since volcanic activity happens every day, unlike mass extinctions. C, the new evidence supports the previous claim since it provided additional evidence of a global event during the same time. Or D, the evidence supports the previous claim since it confirms that the rock layers were laid down at the same time as the volcanic eruption?